Best Individual of 2022. Jahanzeb Khan from MMC Pakistan. Pablo Galindo from SACI Bolivia. Donabel Santos from Foton Motor Philippines, the Philippines. To Marian Peñaflor from Foton Motor Philippines, the Philippines. To Luis Andres Ferrer Martinez from Corbeta, Colombia. Amine Kabbara from Japan Motors, Ghana. Yoke Tong from ATM, Malaysia. Choo Kit from BCM, Malaysia. Sudeep Mittal from Kewalram, Nigeria. Mr. Deighton from AVDL, New Zealand. Mr. Yong from Delta Auto, Zambia.